Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you into Huck's World, today we got a couple of awesome watch faces for you all to check out. And we got to give thanks to Jackie for the heads up. Jackie, thank you. As always, you always finding some awesome free watch faces. Thanks again for the heads up. Now everybody, I had to put this out right away. I know I sent you two out earlier that I think you liked. But listen, download this right after the video because I don't know how long this is going to be free. Could be just a promotion just for today. Now Björk always gets down on some digital watch faces, so I suggest you add this to your archives. With that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, the name of the watch face is called Digital Groove Red. Now, it's going to be a super casual, dressed down watch face. Now, if you got something nice that's black and red, or you got something that's nice, blue and black, it's going to tie into that beautifully. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a simple, and I do mean simple, digital time, but that's cool because once the watch face is on, this watch face has everything. And I like how all the information is laid out. Everything is very legible. Now, up at the top, you are going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your date. You're going to come down. You're going to get your heart rate information, calories burned. And remember, this is geared toward fitness. You're going to get a nice, big, bold, legible digital time. I like that look because I do wear glasses. Coming down right up under that, you're going to get your step info, and you're going to get your step goal completed as well. Battery info right next to that. You're going to be able to come down and get your miles walked or ran. Now, you're going to also be able to go into your settings. The watch face is inactive, so I can go into my settings, tweak my watch however I see fit. I can go into my step status as well with a single tap. Same thing for my battery. If I want to go into my heart rate, I can here. Tap again. And if I want to, I can go into my calendar. So this watch face does pack a heavy punch, and considering that this watch face is free, I suggest you download now. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. All right, you all, watch face number 2 is called Digital Sport 2. Now, don't sleep on this one. Everyone, and I do mean everyone, needs a daytime watch face. If you're going to be out in the sun, you need one of these in your archives, right? Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a similar look. The background is going to be black. The numbers are going to be lit up in green, so you'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, I do like the big, bold digital time, and I love stacked digital time as well. You're going to be able to get your date at the top. You're going to get how many weeks we are into the year right here, and you're going to get animated seconds at the bottom. Now, you do have an analog theme to it. You see index that's going around the bezel of the watch, which adds some character to this watch face that I like. Your step information is over here. You're going to get battery info, heart rate, your steps, calories burned, also floors climbed, and it is inactive. So if you need to go into your calendar, you could do so, set an event. If you need to go into your settings, tweak your watch face, no problem. And if you need to go into your step status info, here you are. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these two watch faces. Don't forget, I am going to leave the link to 4 awesome watch faces by Björk in the description box down below. Don't forget to share this video out on social media and with anyone that loves Gear 3 Galaxy Watch, Gear Sport watch faces. And with that, make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel so you can see more awesome videos like this one. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.